So here's how you can allow camera access on a Capcut on the iPad. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, whenever you download the Capcut app, it might ask for all of the different permissions and everything, right? So if you want to control it later, all you have to do is to open up the settings, and at the bottom of the list, you have the apps section where every single app you have downloaded on your iPad is listed in here, and you can change the settings for each app. And of course, we want to find the CapCut from the list and change whatever is available right here. So of course, the app needs to access the photos captured by the camera. So that's what you can click on, the photos access obviously from the camera of the iPad. And that's what you can basically decide to keep here. So you need to either pick the option which is no access, which you probably do not want. And you also have the limited access where you select only pictures and videos which you want the app to access, or you might give it full access to all of the things captured by the camera of your iPad. So that is generally how it works. That's how you can control it. Obviously, there are also more things in here and more permissions which you might be interested in. So if there's anything else regarding CapCut and the things it can do, then of course it will be part of this. Of course, the camera and actual camera access, whenever you go to the mode within CapCut where you need the camera, you are asked if you actually want to allow it or not. And again, whatever option you decided to go with, you will be able to find it in the settings app in here as well. So again, microphone, camera, all of those things can be added here too. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I really hope that I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.